Attic ventilation support using baffles. We see it all the time. Attics that are basically choking because the previous insulation was pushed way too far into the eaves. Well, the attic needs to breathe. It's how it cools down. And if you block off those soffit vents or those intake vents, your attic isn't just going to get hot, it's going to get damaged potentially. So that's why we use baffles. And their only job is to create a clear open path from your soffit vents all the way up to the peak of your roof or your vents that you have on top of your roof. Without that clear airflow, moisture gets trapped, and that can lead to growth or sometimes rot and drastically shorter lifespan for your roof deck. By installing baffles, we make sure your attic is constantly getting the correct airflow it needs and keeping your roof structure healthy. We don't just add insulation, we ensure your home functions as a complete healthy system. We protect your roof so your insulation can do its job.